Hi, this is Dr. Jayarama Reddy, your advisor on avenues and opportunities in education. Today I am going to review Gokulum Global Residential School. It is an excellent school for high-quality education. It is located in Denkanakottai, about 63 kilometers from the hustle-bustle of Bengaluru. I was invited as a guest of honor on the occasion of Vigyan Utsav by Professor Narasi Reddy, who is one of the founders of this school. The location is serene, peaceful and tranquil. I felt so much more relaxed after visiting Gokulum School. The students here, I found, were actively participating in all the activities. I found them positive, professional, cordial with instructors and peers. They have a passion for learning that drives them to fully understand class material rather than just worry about what grades they receive in the course. All this, as I believe, is because of the faculty and the management. Let us hear from Professor Reddy, the founder of Gokulum School himself.
Namaste. Welcome to Gurukulum Global Residential School. My name is Professor Narasi Reddy. I am the Vice Chairman of this group. Today we have Vigyan Utsav, Science Fest happening at Gurukulum Global Residential School. We are pretty excited to witness the artworks, the science models prepared by our students. Today they are like professional communicators. They are communicating their concept, their model so confidently in a teacherly manner, and it is delighting and surprising every one of us. And this is an annual feature we love to celebrate. So next year, if you get an opportunity, please do visit Gurukulam and explore all the learning opportunities for your children. Namaste. So it's a co-ed institution. We have admission open for LKG to grade 10. So this school is affiliated to CBSE board. So it's been in existence for the last 7 years. So we have trained, qualified and trained teachers who are highly committed to bring out the genius of every child.
How many students are there in your school, sir, right now?
Currently we have 400 diamonds. So they are all winners. The concept we have is every child is a winner at Gurukulam. It's not that they are going to win. They are already winners because they got all the potential. Our job is to help unfold that potential, and we love doing that.
What is the uniqueness of this institution, sir?
The place is unique. The location is unique, and the ecosystem that we have created speaks about the creativity and commitment and passion we as education leaders have for the community, for the children, to create a golden future for the children.
What is the fee structure of the school?
So 30,000 to 60,000, that's the range, LKG to grade 10. Perhaps this is the lowest fee for a CBSE school of this stature in entire India, and it's a service activity. We love doing this.
Tell me about the location of the school.
This is located in a place called Denkanakottai, Kelmangalam Road, part of Krishnagiri district, very close to Bengaluru. Weather is pleasant. It's like a mini Ooty. Once you come into this place, you fall in love with this place.
The school is built with lot of passion and good heart rather than the intention of making money. I have given all the details of this school in this video. Please visit once, if you want to give a good education to your child. Please give your ideas and suggestions in the comments section. Please also like, share and subscribe.